Find the equivalent resistor when a 4 ohm bulb and an 8 ohm bulb are connected in parallel. So R1 is 8 ohm and R2 is 4 ohm, and we need to find out the equivalent resistor. When we are talking about parallel circuit, we are talking about something like this, with two resistors. It's going to be something like this, and the first one is 8 ohm and the second one is 4 ohm. How to find the equivalent resistor in parallel circuits? It's going to be using this formula. One over equivalent resistor equals to summation of all the inverse of all resistors. So in this case, it's going to be 1 over RT equals to 1 over R plus R1 plus 1 over R2. So it will be 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. We need to add these two common denominator. So we multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2 here. So it's going to be 2 plus 1, 3 over 8. So RT, we need to flip this side to 8 divided by 3, which will be 2.67 ohm. That's going to be the equivalent resistor.